and I love my 2012 F-150 with the 5.0 liter engine. Now it has 161,000 miles on it. So basically I think I put like 20,000 miles on this thing in like 6 months, and I tow a lot, but what I've noticed is this thing is a rough ride, like especially when I'm towing a trailer. It's like bouncy, so I'm pretty sure my shocks are blown, and I wanted to get Raptor shocks on this thing, but they're like $2,000. The cheapest ones I found was $2,000 for all four. So I found a set of Bilsteins, all four, front and rear, just shocks, for like $450 or something, and they came in, so I'm gonna put them on and see if this thing rides better, because like I said, I tow a lot, and I may even add some airbags, like air ride suspension in the rear for when I'm towing, so I'm not squatting, because I have a 2-inch leveling kit, so it's like when it's not loaded it's leveled, but when I'm towing it looks like I'm squatting, and no one likes squatted trucks apparently. So let's open them up and see what we got. I do want to mention that I had zero problems with this truck. You know, I did all the maintenance on it when I got it. You can see those videos. I've changed every fluid in this thing, and I have zero issues. Like, all I do is oil changes. I was gonna do the brakes, but there's still like 40% life remaining, so I'm not gonna mess with the brakes at the moment, but I will upgrade the shocks right now, and we'll see how this thing rides. I'm excited. A little bit of a change of plans. I was on the way to work on my truck, and then I got a call from the Ford dealership that the new axle is in. If you remember this Ford Focus ST with the facelift, yep, I snapped an axle. So what happened was, this thing was vibrating in the front at, when you give it gas, and couldn't figure out what it was. And I did buy this axle used off eBay, possibly came off a wrecked car, I don't know, but I think that's where the vibration was coming from. So I finally did a full send and snapped the axle, the end of the axle, which is crazy because this is a thick axle and it's just a 2.0 turbo. I guess ST's got some power. But anyways, got a new axle now from the dealer. If you need a part number, there it is. Driver side axle on a 2014 Ford Focus ST. I'm about to put that on, swap the handle out, and also the SRS module came back from SRS Repair. I forget what company I used, but I'm gonna put that in and we're gonna go on the test drive. Well, that's gonna complete this 2014 ST with the facelift. Everything inside is assembled. Check engine light is still on, but that's because the FCM needs to be reprogrammed. But this thing came out pretty good, and it's going up for sale. 2014 with a 2015 facelift. Too bad I didn't get a chance to change my struts, but I'll get to that tomorrow, and it's gonna be probably in the same video. Alright, so I'm gonna try this again. 2012 F-150. I'm putting new shocks on front and rear. Bilsteins. I really wanted the Raptor shocks, but this will do. Look at that. That's the rear. There's the front. Man, these things are nice. I'm excited about it because this thing drives like garbage. Guess it still works, but whatever. Well, there it is. Front and rear shocks. Bilsteins. Rotated the tires. I just gotta slap them back on. I feel like it's kind of weird that the shock goes this way. I feel like it would look cooler the other way, but whatever. As long as they work. They weren't completely shot, the original ones, but they weren't working as they should. So this is definitely gonna help. So I'm gonna wrap it up, drop it, and then go on a test drive. Can't even feel the bumps anymore. Let's take it off road.
Yeah, we should.
So this thing drives so good, like a brand new truck right now. Like usually it would be like bouncing around, but it's actually driving really, really nice. That's the way to do it. Bilstein shocks. Later.